Okay, here we are. We have a can of Fix-A-Flat for the flat tire repair, and we're gonna blow up the tire in the El Camino that's flat. Okay. First thing it says on directions, you have to shake the can for 30 seconds. All right, Danny, shake the can and count to 30. Okay.
Okay, yep.
Alright, here's the flat tire. Let's get a closer picture. So I'm going to put the Fix-A-Flat on there now. I'm going to turn this knob onto the valve. And it's hard to get in here because I'm only about a foot away from the wall in the garage.
When you fix it, you should move it into the other garage.
No, I can't move into the other garage. It's not my garage. And I can't do this with one hand. Okay, it's on there now. So now, pause it. Okay, now we're ready to press the button and start the air. Press that button down hard. And just keep it on until all the stuff goes in the tire. And you can watch down the bottom and see if the tire blows up at all. Keep holding the button down. You can't let go of the button.
I think it's coming up.
It is. I see the white stuff coming up. See that white stuff?
No, I meant in the tire.
Well, you gotta wait. It takes like a couple minutes. You see the tire looks like it's getting bigger. You can look down by the white letters and see how it's getting bigger. Huh?
Yeah.
Is it all out? Okay, hold the button down. No, it's still coming out. You gotta keep holding the button down. If you let go of the button, it won't come out. You gotta keep going until it doesn't make any more noise like that.
That's it.
That's it? Well, didn't fill the tire up enough, I don't think, but I guess we'll have to back it out now. Alright, hold on. Okay, there we are now. We're all done. The can actually only put about half of the air in the tire that it needed. It was still pretty flat when I backed it out, but I was able to drive it to the gas station and pump it up full. Okay, so that's what we get from our Fix-A-Flat. It'd probably be better for a smaller car, even though I got the big car size. It's not made for a 1987 big size tire.